this video I'm going to show you how to refill all of the ink cartridges listed here. First of all, remove the label from the cartridge. Either use your fingers or a craft knife to peel back the edge to reveal the relevant fill holes. Now fill a syringe with black ink and inject it slowly into the hole closest to the cartridge's printhead. We recommend injecting the amount of ink mentioned at the bottom of this video. If however there is still some ink left in the cartridge, you may notice it start to overflow. If this happens, simply suck 2 ml of ink or so from the top of the cartridge and wipe away the excess ink with some tissue paper. Now reapply the label or cover the holes using a small piece of tape that is no bigger than the lid. This tape should never overlap the sides, as this may stop the cartridge being installed back into your printer. With the refill complete, reinstall the cartridge and perform 2 to 3 cleaning cycles using your printer or printer software. If you're unsure how to do this for your particular model, please consult your user manual. It is perfectly normal for your printer to believe that the cartridge is still empty or low, but it will allow you to continue regardless of this warning. Some printer models may ask for a small prompt from you, so be sure to read any messages you are given in full. I hope you found this video useful. If however you have any further questions, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you.